Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today, we look at the premier IWC Portugieser Automatic 42 and Chronograph. The design of the Portugieser has more than 80 years, and it draws inspiration from the last of the pocket watches. It takes a master designer to keep the idea fresh, yet recognizable at a glance, with the applied Arabic numerals, the railroad minute track, and the leaf-shaped hands. The dial is an exercise in the perfect symmetry. A small second sub-dial on the left, the power reserve indicator on the right, and the substantial date window at the bottom. The star of the show is the dial, in new colors. Horizon blue in white gold case, obsidian black in gold case, dune and silver moon in stainless steel. What allows the dials to shine is the new slimmer case with boxed sapphire crystal, creating those lovely distortions at extreme viewing angles. The movement is also visible through the sapphire caseback. With two main springs, it provides 7 days of power reserve, allowing to wear the Portugieser in rotation with other watches at your leisure. But the Portugieser lineup doesn't end with the automatic three-hander. There's a Perpetual Calendar, and even an eternal calendar in case you need a watch indicating an accurate date until the year 4000, and keeping up with the moon phases for the next 45 million years? Yes, you heard that right. Against this background, a regular chronograph seems like a perfectly reasonable choice if you do enjoy timing things. The price of the chronograph is €8,400, while the automatic 42 version in stainless steel will set you back by €12,800. At least watching HHN costs nothing. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one.